In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to change your Google Chrome language on the mobile app on your Android or iOS device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is select the three-dotted icon in the top right corner of the browser, and then go down and select the settings icon. Scroll down underneath advanced, and you want to select languages. And then you can select your language here. You can add a language by selecting the Add Language button. And you can add a different language to the Chrome browser. And then once you've done that, you can drag and move around the languages on this page here, depending on what you want your preference to be. And if you select the little three-dot icon next to it, you can move to the top, meaning it'll be the primary language. And that's pretty much all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.